Vanakkam. My name is Ramesh. I'm coming from Chennai. I came to Avian Arogya with the complaints related to indigestion to my shoulder pain. I was basically trying to understand about Avian when I was searching for good Ayurvedic hospitals in the net. Of course, I have my cousin here in Madurai who works with TVS, so he was also vouching for Avian. So that gave the confidence in zeroing into Avian Madurai. Before that, during the lockdown period, I have been availing the teleconsultation services provided by them. Of course, it was very good. The doctors gave a very patient listening. It was Dr. Arun who was taking over teleconsultation. Many times they say communication, verbal communication is only 20%. But over the telephonic discussion, whatever we could tell, Dr. Arun was very patiently listening to it and still he was giving medication. But he was suggesting that once I get an opportunity to travel to Madurai, it will be good that I undergo a full-fledged Ayurvedic treatment here in the hospital. Of course, I also have read about the various Ayurvedic treatments that are available, and I was looking for an opportunity to get detoxified. So I made use of this time, which came in my way, to get into this place and have a treatment. Earlier, I had tried the other system of medicines, but there I found that with the modern medication improving a lot, there is no holistic approach. So when I go to a doctor with a shoulder pain, the ortho looks at from the ortho perspective. I'm not blaming any system, but this is my personal experience. Or when it comes to something related to digestive system, it was seen as a separate problem, and the GI specialist will be looking at it. But I was looking for some a system where a holistic approach would be there, and I found that holistic approach here. So once I could find the right time that I could travel to Madurai, especially it was during the thick of lockdown in the month of May. So I was a bit apprehensive whether this is the right time to travel with so much of spread of COVID here in Tamil Nadu in total. But the hospital had fantastic systems in place to receive the patients. So we had to undergo for the people who already were vaccinated, CBC test was prescribed. For those people who were not vaccinated, the COVID RT-PCR test was mandatory. So once we got that negative certificate, we could travel and come to the hospital. Here the system is really fantastic. Most of the doctors, not only the doctors but also the therapists and various other staff who directly deal with the patients are made to stay in campus so that the patient has the peace of mind that he or she is in a sterile environment. That was very good and impressive. The hospital helped me in picking me up from the airport because the e-pass and other requirements were there, so they supported on all fronts. Um, and of course, once we checked in, it was we were received as though we were going to a star hotel. So it was a good reception. We were given our accommodation, and once we got our body washed, then we completed the admission process. And the next day, of course, we came late in the evening. So the next day, when the doctors came, there were a lot of doctors who visited our accommodation, and then they collected all the information about our medical history. So at that point of time, maybe have shown my medical file, and I had also described whatever were my main areas of focus required in this treatment. It was all well received. People were meticulously noting it down. My main consultant is Dr. Ramesh, who is the MD of this Avian Arogya here in Madurai, and also the other centers. So he then, after assimilating all this information from the other doctors, he came and then he also had a long discussion. He understood what are the problems, what is our expectations are, and he also explained what will be the program in the following days and weeks. So at that time, I also told Dr. Ramesh about my desire of waiting for this detoxification also. So combined, he gave a program, and then for me, that program was about 18 days, where we were given, I was given multiple Ayurvedic therapies, like Abhyangam, and also there is something called Podiki, and all those kind of treatments it started with. So I was initially thinking in what way it is going to help my digestive system, because I am undergoing some massages. But later, the doctors explained, and I had also read in one of the books during this period of time staying here, how these treatments really are very important process to start with in the detoxification. And then the following weeks, there were other Ayurvedic treatments given, which were really detoxifying. So the amas or the toxins were coming out. Of course, I can only feel it. It's very difficult as a common man to really say what came out is a ama or not. But we start feeling. So I started feeling the difference from the second week onwards. The body was light. The digestive problems were improving. Today, at the end of this 18 days, I see some of the challenges I had, like constipation, bloating, belching. These have nearly reduced. Maybe some bloating alone is still there, but with the medication, I'm confident that also will get corrected. The other important thing that I noticed here in Avian is like they don't get fixated with the Ayurvedic therapies, where there can be an advantage taken out of the modern systems that is also being rightly used here. So apart from these Ayurvedic therapies, I was also subject to some of the physiotherapies in the last few days, because those exercises I need to continue to fully get cured of my frozen shoulder issue. So right now my mobilization for the shoulder pain has improved a lot, but the balance will get further improvement over the period of time. Of course, I don't expect everything vanishes within this period of stay in the hospital itself. So those exercises have been taught. Where required, some of the physiotherapeutic advantages also have been utilized. It was a real good combination. Same way, whenever there are any indigestion related specific issues, for some of the other patients, I happen to interact with some of my other co-patients, where they also say like where required, the hospital is prescribing for certain blood tests to analyze certain parameters. So it is a good combination of the modern medicine and also the traditional Ayurvedic treatment, which I really like. And another point I want to honestly record here from the bottom of my heart is the entire team. I found them to be very compassionate, caring. Genuinely, they listen to the patients. If there are any challenges in adapting to some of the things, I have been openly sharing with be the therapist or the other doctors who regularly visit us, or directly with Dr. Ramesh when he visits us daily. So it has been really, the empathy needs to be really appreciated. I want to record it here. And also, I could see there are a lot of other activities that are going on in this hospital, like other departments like the patient relation, the pharmacy, also the preparation. Like this, there are so many other works, departments they are functioning, though they are not directly interacting with the patients, but they are also doing a marvelous job. For me, I have been working from home in the past, but now WFH became work from hospital for me when I moved here. Due to an office exigency, I could not go on leave, though it is ideal to take these treatments during the holidays. But there was an emergency and I had to work for some days from the hospital. So that also hospital helped, and I could peacefully work from my villa. The point what I'm trying to say here is like there is a general, I mean, the people are so cooperative. Usually doctor visits around the patient around a particular time. On a particular day, I had an emergency client meeting, and Dr. Ramesh was very kind enough that he said, no problems, you continue with this meeting, I will come after 1 hour or 2 hours. Like that, he came back again. So that way, people are very understanding. Uh, so it's not only the right doctors and the right treatment alone is an advantage here, but also the psychological comfort that is given to the patients adds a lot of value in my personal experience. Now at the end of the 18 days, I would say like I'm really happy that I came here, and my long wait for this kind of a detoxification is successfully over. And yeah, it has been really a good experience, and I am a satisfied patient now getting discharged from AVM. Thanks for listening to me.